Hello. Hello, and welcome back to Pongsgarage, or whatever this is. This isn't a garage, this is a place between some buildings, because I'm sheltering from the wind. This is my new bicycle. I bought this off Marketplace, cheaply. As you can see, it's a bicycle. It's got wheels, it's got brakes, it's got a bell thing, it's got things that make a bicycle. It's got 2 gears, which are automatic, so you just move the pedals backwards and forwards, and then it does what a bike more or less should do. If we look at it, it's got lots of rust. It hasn't got lots of rust, but it's got a bit of rust, and it's got I think it's aluminium rims, and it's got these stainless mudguard things, and this thing, puzzle racket I think it's called, and it's got this which says DBS, and it's a Norwegian bike, so it's top quality. Not, I think, I don't know. It's called a DBS Sport, and no, it's not an Aston Martin, it's a DBS, and the bike type is called a Sport. I know it doesn't look very sporty, but anyway, it's called a Sport. This is how much bike you can get off Marketplace for, well, cheaply. It's the cheapest one I could find, and it's it's in one piece. It's got everything that bike needs. It's got things that bike needs. Yeah. Anyway, it's got it's blue. It's got wheels, and it's a TBS, and it's got a Sachs rear drive thingy, made in Germany, which means it's top quality. But that was all for today, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you like this video, then do things that YouTubers usually want you to do, like commenting, subscribing, and liking the video maybe, and I'll see you